Hello, we are looking at SEHYOG paper for year 4, topic day, date and time. In question number 45, a family went for a holiday on 4th July and returned on 7th August. So, how many weeks were they away? So, starting from 4th July to 11th July is 1 week. Then from then onwards 18th July is another week. Then 25th July makes another week, and after 1 week it is 1st August, and then till 7th August it is another 6 days. So, since they are asking that how many weeks they were away, so we can write it in a whole number, that is 5 weeks. In question number 44, Gary took a holiday from 28th of November. He spent 2 weeks and 4 days traveling. So, after he returned, he rested for 4 days and then he joined work. So, from 20th November to 27th November makes 1 week. Again, if we count 7 more days, it is 4th December, that is 1 week. So, it makes 2 weeks, and 4 days more brings us to 8th December. So, that is when he returned, and then he rested for 4 more days. So, which means till 12th December he rested. So, which means that we can say that he joined work on 13th of December. So, 13th December is the answer. In question number 43, it says that Patrick was born on 10th December 2009. So, we have to count his age on 10th of October 2021. So, since October comes before December, so we will count till the December of 2020. So, from 10th December 2009 to 10th December 2020, we can get the number of years by subtracting them, that is 11 years. And after 10th December 2020, we can count the number of months till 10th October 2021. So, that makes 10 months. So, in question number 42, Ryan spends 1/48th of the day reading. So, which means he spends 1/48th of 24 hours reading. So, that gives half hour, and again similarly 1/24 of a day, that is 24 hours, gives us 1 hour. So, Ryan can finish both the activities in 1.5 hours. So, he is starting at 4:45 p.m., which means that in a 24-hour format, we can write it as 16 hours and 45 minutes. And adding 1 hour 30 minutes with it, we get 17 hours 75 minutes, and that 75 minutes can be broken down as 1 hour 15 minutes. So, 18 hours 15 minutes minus 12 hours of the day gives us 6:15 p.m. So, number 41, Sudsi takes out a loan on 24th March and gave it back on 30th June. So, from 24th March onwards, in March we are counting 7 days, that is till 31st March. In April we are counting 30 days. In May we are counting 31 days, and in June there are again 30 days. So, adding all the number of days, we are getting 98 days as our answer. So, in number 35, we have a table which will be used from question number 35 to 41. So, the first question asks, how long does the train take to cover the distance? So, the train is departing at 1:30 p.m. Wednesday and it is arriving at 9:25 a.m. on Friday. So, in between we have Thursday and we also have to take that into consideration. So, when we are counting the time taken, so from Wednesday 1:30 p.m. we are going to Thursday 1:30 p.m. and that is covering 24 hours for us. Now, if we add 30 minutes, it gives us 2 o'clock and from there 10 hours more is 12 o'clock. So, Thursday will be covered. So, which means we are adding 10 hours 30 minutes more and we reach Friday 12 midnight. On Friday now, we will have to reach 9:25 Friday 9:25 a.m. So, that is 9 hours and 25 minutes. So, we are adding 24 hours, 10 hours 30 minutes in Thursday and 9 hours 25 minutes of Friday. So, adding the hours first, 24, 10 and 9, that is 43 hours. Now, adding the minutes, on Thursday we have minutes 30 minutes and on Friday we have 25 minutes. So, together 55 minutes. So, our answer is 43 hours and 55 minutes. In question number 36, on which day and at what time did the flight start its journey? So, we are counting backwards 3 hours 25 minutes we have to deduct from 2:30 a.m. which means that we have to go to the previous day. So, this can be done in two ways. Either we can take 24 plus 2 hours and 30 minutes. From there we can subtract 3 hours and we will get the time. Other way, now if I subtract 2.5 hours first, then we will reach 12 a.m. And now what else we need to subtract to reach 3 hours 25 minutes of subtraction? So, we have to subtract 55 minutes more. So, from 12 o'clock we are going back 55 minutes more, that gives us 11:05 p.m. that is 5 past 11 o'clock at night on Thursday. In question number 37, on which day and at what time will the car reach its destination? So, the car is starting on Wednesday 10 past 10 o'clock at night. So, we will first count 2 days from that time, which will bring us to Friday 10 past 10 o'clock at night. With that, we will add up 20 minutes more, which will give us 30 minutes past 10 o'clock. So, if we are writing it in 24-hour format, it is 22 hours and 30 minutes. Now, we still have to add 10 hours with it. So, when we add 10 hours, we reach the next day because we were already in at night. So, subtracting 24 hours of Friday, we will reach Saturday. So, we get Saturday 8 o'clock 8 hours and 30 minutes. So the time is 8:30 a.m. of Saturday. Going to the next question, number 38. How long will the bus take to cover the distance? So the bus is starting on Thursday 12:40 p.m. So from Thursday 12:40 p.m. to Saturday 12:40 p.m. will make exactly 2 days. So we will count after that from 12:40 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. and we can subtract and find it out. So 21 hours 15 minutes is 9:15 p.m. subtracting 12 hours 40 minutes. So after carryover, we get 8 hours 35 minutes. So the answer is 2 days, 8 hours and 35 minutes. Now in question number 39, if the train gets delayed by 2 hours and 45 minutes, at what time will it reach? So starting from the regular departure time, we are adding 2 hours 45 minutes delay time and we are getting 11 hours 70 minutes. So 70 minutes again dividing by 60, we get 1 hour 10 minutes. So 11 plus 1, 12 hours and 10 minutes. So our answer is 12:10 p.m. Question number 40, Randy went by car and returned by flight. So while going, it takes 2 days, 10 hours and 20 minutes, and while returning, it is taking 3 hours and 25 minutes. So we add up the two durations that we are getting and the final answer is 2 days, 13 hours and 45 minutes. In question number 34, an aeroplane took off at 10:30 p.m. on Wednesday. It travelled for 4 hours 15 minutes. So it has crossed midnight and it will reach on Thursday. So we are starting from 22 hours and 30 minutes time. We are adding 4 hours and 15 minutes. So gives us 26 hours and 45 minutes. Out of this, we have 24 hours of Wednesday. So we are subtracting 24 hours of the previous day and we are getting 2 hours and 45 minutes of Thursday, which means we are reaching at 2:45 a.m. Thursday. So the answer is 2:45 a.m. of Thursday. Now in question number 33, Christy leaves school at 2:30 p.m. and it takes her 50 minutes to reach. So first we are converting 2 hours 30 minutes to 24-hour format. So that is 14 hours 30 minutes and adding 50 minutes with it, we are getting 14 hours and 80 minutes and 80 minutes can again be written as 1 hour and 20 minutes. So we reach 15 hours and 20 minutes. So this is the 24-hour format. In 32, a train is running late by 35 minutes. Scheduled time of arrival of a train at a station is 17:20. So if it is late by 35 minutes, we will add 35 and we get 17 hours and 55 minutes. So this in 12-hour format, we can get it by subtracting 12 hours till midday. So that is 17 minus 12 by 55 p.m. Now in question number 28, from 4 weeks, we will take away 1 week 3 days. So we will break up 4 weeks as 3 weeks and 7 days. Now subtracting 1 week and 3 days from there, we get 2 weeks and 4 days, which is our answer. In question number 24, part A, we take away 8 days 12 hours from 9 days 14 hours. So, we just subtract hours with hours and days with days and we get our answer. However, in part B, from 2 days we will take away 10 hours. So, 2 days means 1 day and 24 hours for another day. So, it is easier to take away 1 day and 10 hours. So, 1 day subtract 1 day gives no days, but only 24 minus 10, that is 14 hours.